Alright guys, let's get Grail Punt number 97 going for the boys, number 1 to 24. We got Scott at number 1, down to 50, which is Dark. It's live. So that's 7th of April. 7th of April at 7:38, and it's the 7th of April at 7:38 here in WA. So that list again was Dark at 50 and Scott at number 1. Scott at number 1, Dark down to number 50, and we get a 3 dice roll. Hit that. And we've got 12 is the lucky number. 6 plus 5 plus 1 is 12. So let's go to the list and get started. Maybe. So I think that should be the first one once it shows up. Yep. And we go number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 5. Number 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Number 11. And we'll just go check that. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 5 is 12. So we're going for the final draw. It's 7:41 Perth time. Oop, where's it gone? It'll pop back up. Eventually. Computer likes to do this, but it'll be fine. Anytime now. Sorry guys, it will come back up. Here we are. Thanks. Yeah, we've done the list 11 times. We're going for the 12th roll, which is the winner's roll. Let's go. 12 times, and our winner is Dak number 1. Congratulations, mate. I think you've had a bit of a dry spell, and now you've managed to hit one. It needs a rehaul. And that's done at 7:45 on the 7th of April. 7:45 on the 7th of April. Thanks, guys.